So we got this situation. The coefficient of rth term and r+4th term are equal in the expansion of this. Okay, now look at this. So the point is, you know that if I'll talk about the first term, the lower subscript of c should be 0. Second term, lower subscript of c should be 1. Third term, lower subscript of c should be 2. So if I am talking about the rth term, the lower subscript of c should be what? R minus 1. Correct? Now look at this. Here if you'll observe, in place of x they wrote 1, and in place of y they wrote x. Okay, and you know that both of them will not contribute in the coefficient, and we are interested in coefficient only. Okay, so this is the coefficient of rth term. Now let's move on to the next part. So the coefficient of r+4th term, so you know that the coefficient will be 1 less than this one. Okay, so this thing is equal to this thing. So if you will observe, you can observe this 20 upper subscript. The upper subscript is same. Okay, and here is c and there is also c, so both are same. So hopefully we can compare the base. Okay, so we got r minus 1 equals to r plus 3. R gone, you got minus 1 equals to 3. So this is some absurd value. Okay, so this is not going to be the answer. Correct now? So now what we should do, look at this. So that you can understand that you can compare the lower subscript, but in this case it is creating issue. So how we will overcome from this problem? Do you remember that property where we wrote NCR equals to NC n minus R? Both are same. So to get the value of R, we will apply this property. So 20C, 20 minus R plus 1 is equal to 20C R plus 3. Don't change both of them. Okay, change just one of them. Otherwise, again, you will be in a trap. Okay, so it is 21 minus R equals to R plus 3. So this R this side, so it will become 2R. This 3 that side, it will become 18. So the value of R we got as 9. Okay, so the required value of R is 9. I hope the idea is clear. Okay.